The journey of advanced robotics began in the mid-20th century, rooted in the desire to automate complex tasks that were repetitive, dangerous, or required high precision. Early advancements were seen in manufacturing, particularly with General Motors introducing the first industrial robot, Unimate, in 1961. Unimate's ability to perform monotonous tasks like welding and assembly set the foundation for robotics in factories worldwide. As technology progressed, robotics advanced beyond basic industrial applications. The integration of sensors, microprocessors, and artificial intelligence (AI) transformed robots from simple machines into sophisticated systems capable of adapting to their environments. In the 1980s and 1990s, robots like Honda's Asimo showcased the potential for humanoid robots, which could walk, climb stairs, and even recognize faces. By the 21st century, AI, machine learning, and deep learning significantly accelerated robotics evolution. Robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas demonstrated near-human agility, while companies like Tesla began integrating robotics into autonomous vehicles. Collaborative robots, cobots, emerged, designed to work alongside humans safely, revolutionizing industries like healthcare, logistics, and customer service. Robotics continues to evolve, now incorporating cloud computing and edge AI, promising a future where robots are even more integrated into daily life, taking on roles in care for the elderly, space exploration, and more. The rise of soft robotics and bio-inspired designs pushed the boundaries of what's possible in terms of mobility, flexibility, and functionality. The year 2024 marks a pivotal point in the advancement of robotics. Across the globe, robotics technology is not only advancing, but is actively transforming industries, daily life, and public perception. From robots performing intricate surgeries in Japan to Boston Dynamics unveiling their all-electric Atlas robot, the boundaries of what robots can achieve are expanding rapidly. This surge in robotics technology has wide-reaching implications, both for the tech world and the general public, reshaping labor markets, healthcare, disaster management, and more. We would be exploring amazing innovations so far in 2024. In Asia, Japan's push into robotics, particularly in healthcare, made headlines. The introduction of their first surgical robot represents a monumental shift in medical procedures. The surgical robot offers unparalleled precision, enabling doctors to perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater accuracy and less human error. This means quicker recovery times and reduced risk, ultimately leading to better healthcare outcomes. Across the globe, Boston Dynamics continues to stun the public and the tech community with its humanoid robot, Atlas. Atlas is an all-electric, highly agile humanoid that can perform complex physical tasks such as running, jumping, and navigating difficult terrain. This year, the robot's latest iteration has made waves in the tech world. The 2024 model showcases even more refined control, agility, and the ability to manipulate objects in real time, making it a fascinating tool for research into human-robot interactions and future automation tasks. Its agility and strength come from a combination of electric motors, sensors, and cutting-edge algorithms that allow it to perform physically demanding tasks that most robots have not been able to achieve. However, Boston Dynamics' previous robots also laid the groundwork for this technological advancement. One of their most famous robots is Spot, a four-legged robot designed for inspection and data capture in hazardous or hard-to-reach environments. Spot has been used across industries such as construction, mining, and even healthcare, demonstrating its versatility in real-world applications. Handle, another Boston Dynamics creation, is a two-wheeled robot equipped with a long arm, designed specifically for warehouse automation, particularly in logistics and material handling tasks. While these robots are often seen in viral videos demonstrating impressive feats, the real-world applications for them are growing rapidly. The new Atlas humanoid robot adds to Boston Dynamics' legacy of creating machines that could play an integral role in both industrial and everyday settings, providing new possibilities for automation and labor. Meanwhile, in the realm of social robots, Softbank's Pepper continues to evolve. Pepper has been widely adopted in customer service roles, from greeting guests in retail stores to providing information in healthcare settings. In 2024, the robot has seen significant upgrades in its natural language processing and emotional recognition capabilities, making it even more effective at engaging with people. So far, the public reception to Pepper is largely positive. Its friendly demeanor and ability to understand and respond to human emotions have made it a favorite in environments that require human interaction. For businesses, using robots like Pepper not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer experiences by providing consistent, polite, and informative service. Pepper's success reflects the growing demand for AI-powered robots in service industries. This trend suggests a future where robots become common fixtures in everyday customer service roles, from restaurants to airports. The continued development of Pepper and similar robots indicates that AI will play an increasingly vital role in how companies interact with their customers. Shifting focus to agriculture, robots are playing a critical role in addressing labor shortages and improving productivity. With projects like Rob's for Crops and innovations from companies such as Nio Technologies leading the charge, Rob's for Crops focuses on integrating robotic solutions into European farming to reduce labor needs, improve sustainability, and boost efficiency. Similarly, Nio Technologies has developed robots like Oz, Ted, and Dino, which autonomously perform tasks like weeding, tillage, and harvesting in vegetable and vineyard fields. The increasing reliance on robots driven by AI and solar energy is expected to significantly reduce farming costs while enhancing crop production worldwide. This represents a solution to rising food demands in a world with shrinking agricultural labor forces. This evolution in robotics is not just a leap for agriculture, but also for industries relying on large-scale, repetitive tasks. In a world increasingly vulnerable to natural disasters, the use of robots in rescue missions has been a critical development in 2024. Rescue robots are revolutionizing disaster management by assisting in dangerous conditions. These robots are categorized into water rescue robots, land search and rescue robots, and aerial drones. Examples include Emily, a hybrid flotation device used in maritime rescues, Boston Dynamics Atlas, an agile humanoid that assists in disaster response, and Teledyne FLIR's Skyranger drone, which aids in search and rescue with thermal imaging. Robots like SnakeBot navigate debris in earthquakes, while firefighting robots help extinguish fires too dangerous for humans. For the robotics industry, disaster response robots highlight the importance of collaboration between AI, robotics, and emergency services. It's an area where robotics can directly save lives, showcasing the tangible benefits of integrating advanced technologies into public safety efforts. Moving over to China, China has made significant strides in humanoid robotics, with companies like UBTech Robotics leading the charge. Their latest humanoid models, designed for industries like automotive manufacturing and logistics, are pushing the boundaries of automation. These robots are not just assisting human workers but are performing tasks autonomously, marking a new phase in human-robot collaboration. Companies like UBTech Robotics are pushing the boundaries, introducing robots like Walker S, which are now integrated into automotive production for tasks like material handling. The market for humanoid robots in China is expected to grow significantly, reaching $46.31 billion by 2031. China's strategy includes mass production, quality improvements, and expanding into various sectors such as computer, communication, consumer electronics, and logistics, marking a new era for human-robot collaboration. The country's ability to mass-produce these robots positions it as a leader in robotics technology, challenging competitors from the US and Japan. China's focus on improving the quality and cost efficiency of humanoid robots means that automation will likely become even more widespread across global industries in the coming years. The developments in robotics that have unfolded so far in 2024 represent a major turning point for both the public and the tech world. From surgical robots improving healthcare outcomes to humanoids taking on critical tasks in disaster response and manufacturing, the role of robots in everyday life is expanding. As we look to the future, these advancements signal a world where robots are not just tools but active participants in our industries and lives. However, with these advancements come challenges. particularly in terms of public perception, ethical considerations, and the need to manage the economic impacts of automation. Nonetheless, the tech world continues to innovate, driving forward a new era of human-robot collaboration. That's all for today's episode. Do join us on Thursday for another packed episode. Thank you for watching.